chapter 1, that is set of NCERT class 11th. The first, what is a set? Set set is a well defined collection of objects. So what is a set? Set is a well defined collection of objects. Set is a well defined collection of objects, and set always represent with a capital letter. If set always represent a capital letter, and all the elements I keep inside the bracket, that is the curly bracket. Let's take the example of a set of a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels of an English alphabet. So we represent this as this is a set. Why it is a set? Because we can collect the element. This is the set is represented by a capital letter, and these are the element, and all the elements are separated by comma, and this is written inside the curly bracket. Its name is a curly bracket. There are three types of the bracket. This is parenthesis, and this is curly bracket, and this is a big bracket or the box bracket. Now how we are going to know which one is a set and which one is a not set? Set is a collection of well defined object, means where we can collect the element. Not set, that is we are not able to collect the element. Let's take an example of the what is a best student of a class. Is it a set or not? Because it is not a set, because best student its criteria differ from person to person, and test is foot, that also differ from person to person, because the test differ from person to person. Therefore that is that is not a set. The simplest way to understand a set, that is qualitative. When we measure the qualitative, when we measure a qualitative, when we measure quantitative, qualitative. So when we measure the qualitative, it is not set. If we take the best batsman, because it's also differ from person to person. So which are the set? When we measure the quantity, when we measure a quantity, so that is set, because quantity will remain the same. If I ask a student of a one class and ask him to calculate the number of teacher in a school, he will give the same answer. If I told the class, if I make the different class 1, if I take the class 10 student, ask the student to calculate the number of teacher, so it will be, the number will remain same. If I told the same question to the class 9 student to calculate the number of teacher in the class, that also will get the same answer. Means whenever there is a one question, if question is one, and if all the answer are same, that is a set. If question is one, if the answer differ from person to person, that is not a set. Example, if I ask a question, what is the favorite fruit of a student, because it's differ from person to person, so it is not a set. If I ask what is the total number of student in a classroom, so it will remain the same answer for every student, so it is a set. So how are we going to rectify which one is a set and which one is a not a set? Set, when we get the same answer, that will be set. When we get a different answer, that is a not a set. Another, if when we are going to get the quality, that is not a set. When we get the quantity, that is a set. Now set representation, there we are going to set are represented in the two methods. So 2, a method of representation of set. So that is 1, roster form, roster or tabular. Another, let's take the example. Set always represent by the roster or the tabular. Set always represent by the capital letter. Let's take the capital letter A and bracket. What we are going to take? Let's take the vowel of an English alphabet, that is A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, U, comma, U. A, E, I, O, U. So this is the, and now the second will be set builder. Set, B-U, set builder. So in the set builder, because it's written in the form of builder, it will be written in the form of statement. So it also represent by capital letter, because these and these are same. I am taking the same example, only the representation making different. So here set represented by capital letter and it's always inside a curly bracket. Now it's in a set builder form, so it will be in the form of statement. So X such that X is a voweled, X is a voweled in English alphabet. Meaning are same. One is written in the form of only the element, so that will be when the element of the set when the set is written with a combination of element, that will be roster form or a tabular form. When a set is written in the form of statement, that will be set builder form. The meaning here I took the same example. Here this is also English alphabet, means vowel of an English alphabet. This is also vowel of the English alphabet. This is all the element we have written, so it is a tabular or a roster form. This is a set builder because it is written in the form of statement, that is X such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Now come to the exercise, that is exercise 1.1. Which of the following are the set? Justify your answer. Only write which one is the set and which one is not a set. First, the collection of the months of a year begin with the letter J. Means can you collect the alphabet? Can you collect the month that the month is started with a J? Because we can collect, that is June and July, and everyone will get the same answer, June and July. So it is a set. The first one, it will be set. This is question number 1, Roman number 1. So question number 1. This is exercise 1.1. Question 1, Roman number 1. So it will be set. Roman number 2, let's read the question. The collection of 10 most talented writer of India. Most talented, because the collection of 10 most talented writer of India, because the talent is not a quality, it's not a quantity, it's a quality. Talent differ from person to person, because top writer, which criteria? Some may like in the writer there is a different types of writer. Some writer means comedy, some writes the detective. In this way there are different criteria, so it's person changes from person to person. So therefore the most talented, here the talent, because it's different from person to person, therefore this is not a set. Second number is not a set, so not set. Come to Roman number 3. A team of 11 batsmen, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Here also best cricket. Who is the best? How it, if it is the one is the best, How it is best? Because the criteria differ from person to person. One may say the best to this person, another may say that no, this is not the best, this is the best for him, and therefore this is differ from person to person. So therefore this is not a set. Not set. So come to next question. Question number 4. The collection of all boys in the classroom. Because all boys of the classroom, everyone will get the same answer. Everyone will get the same answer, because all the boys, if 2 person calculate the numbers of boys in the classroom, will remain the same. Therefore this will be the set. So Roman number 4, that is set. And Roman number 5. The collection of all natural number less than 100. The collection of all natural number less than 100. If everyone write a natural number less than 100, they will get the same. So it will be set. So it is a set. Question number 5, that is set. Question number 6. A collection of novels written by the Munshi Premchand. Here see, one person, they already mentioned a person. If I ask any of the person to calculate the novels written by this person, if I ask the 3 students also, I will get the same answer. Therefore this will be the set. So question number 6 will be set, because the number will not change. The number of the novel will not change, it will remain the same for everyone. The collection of all even integer. Here also everyone will get the same answer, therefore it will be set, because the collection of all, only remember that if everyone get the same answer, simplest way to understand, to remember, if you get the answer for everyone get the same answer, would remain the set. If everyone, the answer is differ from person to person, then it is not a set. So the collection of all even integer. So all the even integer, everyone will get the same, so it will be set. So this is Roman number 7. So Roman number 8. So, the collection of question in each chapter. It is for every book or the same chapter from the same subject, because they mention only the chapter. Already they mentioned the chapter. So here also you will get the same number of question paper for each and every book, for each and every chapter. So it will be set. So this will be set. So Roman number 9. A collection of most dangerous animals of the a collection of most dangerous animals of the one. See, dangerous also differ from the person. Some may say dangerous to lion, some may say dangerous to a tiger. So it's differ from person to person. Now how you will say which one is a dangerous, on whose point of view. So therefore this is not a set. Just remember that if everyone get the same answer, that will be set. If everyone get a different answer, that is not a set. Now question number 2. Here set A is given. Let's say A is a set given, that is 11. These are the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 elements are given. Inside the appropriate symbol, the name is, this is belongs to or this is not belongs to in the blank. So you have to write, is it belongs to or is it not belongs to. Belongs to means is it inside the set, is it outside the set. If the element is inside the set, it is represented by the belongs to. If it is outside the set, so it is represented by not belongs to. Question number 2. Let's write the question which let's write the set which one is given A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roman number 1. So 5. Is it 5 inside the set? Yes, it is inside the set, so it will be belongs to A. Roman number 2. Now 8. Is it 8 inside the set? There is no. 8 is not inside the set, so it is not belongs to A. Roman number 3. Is it 0 inside the set? No. You have to say only inside the set. No. So if it is no, there will be not belongs to A. Roman number 4, that is 4. Is it 4 inside the set? It is. Is it 4 element of the set? Element of the set? Yes, 4 is the element of the set. So it will be belongs to A. After 4, it will be 5. 5. What is 2? Is it 2 element of the set? Yes, 2 is the element of the set. So it will be belongs to A. Only remember which one is this. The name is belongs to, means is it inside the set or is it the element of the set. So that will be belongs to. Or if it is not belongs to, if this is not the element of the set, we can say this is not the element of the set. In the simplest way to understand, is it 8 inside the set, inside this bracket? If it is yes, it will be belongs to. If it is no, so it will be, it doesn't belongs to.